Imagine turning the key, hearing that sharp Yamaha engine note, and feeling like you're riding a true supersport machine without paying supersport money. That's exactly the feeling the Yamaha R15 V3 2026 delivers, and that's why Brazilian riders are so excited about this bike. If you're looking for a sport bike that looks aggressive, feels premium, and still makes sense for daily riding, stay with me because this might be the bike you've been waiting for. Right from the first glance, the Yamaha R15 V3 2026 looks inspired by Yamaha's bigger R-series machines. The sharp front fairing, aggressive LED headlight, and aerodynamic windscreen give it a race-ready look. In vibrant black color, the bike feels even more premium and stealthy, something Brazilian riders really love when it comes to sporty street presence. This is a motorcycle that turns heads whether it's parked or flying past you on the road. Now let's talk about performance, because that's where the R15 V3 truly shines. The liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine is designed to balance power and efficiency. It delivers smooth acceleration, especially in city traffic. But once you open the throttle on the highway, it shows its sporty character. The Yamaha R15 V3 top speed is impressive for its class, making it perfect for riders who want excitement without jumping to a bigger engine. One of the biggest reasons the Yamaha R15 V3 2026 is popular in Brazil is its fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, mileage matters, and this bike delivers excellent fuel economy without killing the fun. Whether you're commuting daily or enjoying weekend rides, the R15 V3 keeps running costs low, which is a big win for young riders and enthusiasts alike. Handling is another strong point. The bike feels light, stable, and confident, especially when cornering. Yamaha has tuned the suspension to handle Brazilian road conditions well, so bumps and uneven surfaces don't ruin the ride. The riding position is sporty but not extreme, allowing you to enjoy longer rides without too much discomfort. It's aggressive enough to feel like a sport bike, but practical enough for everyday use. Braking performance is sharp and reliable, giving riders confidence in traffic and at higher speeds. Combined with its responsive throttle and smooth gearbox, the Yamaha R15 V3 riding experience feels refined and premium, something you usually expect from more expensive motorcycles. Now, the big question everyone asks, what about the Yamaha R15 V3 2026 price in Brazil? While official pricing may vary, the expected price range is around 22,000 Brazilian reals to 25,000 Brazilian reals, depending on taxes and dealership offers. For a fully fared sport bike with this level of design, performance, and Yamaha reliability, many riders believe it offers solid value for money. Another thing Brazilian riders appreciate is Yamaha's strong service network and resale value. Owning a Yamaha sport bike in Brazil feels safer because parts availability and maintenance are generally easier compared to less established brands. This makes the R15 V3 2026 not just a fun bike, but also a smart long-term choice. So, who is this bike really for? If you're a beginner who wants a real sport bike feel, the Yamaha R15 V3 is perfect. If you're an experienced rider looking for a stylish, efficient daily machine, it still makes a lot of sense. It's not just about speed. It's about balance, style, and everyday usability. To sum it up, the Yamaha R15 V3 2026 combines aggressive design, reliable performance, excellent mileage, and strong brand value. It's easy to see why it continues to be one of the most talked about sport bikes among Brazilian riders. If you love sporty looks, smooth performance, and smart pricing, this bike deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this detailed Yamaha R15 V3 2026 review, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.